I picked two courses basically. One is this. This is the guy I followed for my AZ-900 course, the developer one. Okay. But ultimate course, okay, I will always recommend, I recommending everyone this one. AZ-204 developing solution for Microsoft Azure. Okay. Wait for some time. Okay. Right now, the course is right now, I believe it is 100 something. Okay. How do I hide this one? Participants. Okay. Okay. So I recommend this guy, Alan Rodriguez. Absolutely. I don't want you to go with this. I highly recommend whoever want to learn Azure with the .NET background. So you can do it Python also, but this guy is gives end to end. Okay. Still now after finishing exam also, I will go back. I will take the reference. Okay. I believe today you went through Azure functions, durable functions. This guy will help address the same thing in multiple ways. If you see here, the course contains not this one. Virtual mission is not no more in the examination, but it starts from Azure Web App, Azure Functions, containers, other tools, everything. So he add so many things which really help you to excel in Azure side. So I just went this course. So totally 26 hours. It took me more than 3 months to finish. Basically, because last month only he updated with all the new screenshot and view code. Earlier, 1 month back, it was a little bit old, like old framework and everything. So you need to work yourself to find something. Now it is very easy. So this will help you to understand what are the things, how the Azure function works, Azure web app works, what need to be done. He will give step by step. It is very, very easy. So I will always recommend, 200% recommend to go through this. Either it will help for your certification or not. I'm damn sure I'll tell you that it will help you for your interview purpose or your knowledge purpose. So this is really wonderful course. So I finished this course. I started in January 15th. It took me 3 months to finish this complete course because it says 26 hours. If you see, if you give a simple example, if I expand this, you will give a lot of labs. Everything is lab. So you need to go and write a code, how to deploy, everything will be there. So there are two options will be there. One is directly deploying using Visual Studio. Another one is called like, what do you call, other tools. They use as the PowerShell script. So you will get hands-on with everything. So once you finish the course, as per my experience, I thought, okay, I know everything. I took a mock. You believe me or not, I just scored only 20 marks. 20. Out of 68 questions, I passed only 20 right answers. I really demotivated myself. I don't know what to do next. Again, I went through the course. Next time onwards, I didn't go through the, what do you call, that much time, but I just went through the screen. Already I have the code. What are the things I have? Then after that, Skillset Pro. You guys know Skillset Pro, the course. Skillset Pro. I go through they provide a lot of courses with question and answers. So you can take this course to gain some knowledge. What are the questions they are asking? So it's just $12 or $15. They will, if you find some time, wait for some time, you'll get the deal. So these things really will mold you for exam. But however, as I told, I am started in December only to the cloud. So I don't have any development experience in this. Azure AZ-204 needs minimum 2 years of development knowledge. When I enter into the exam hall only, I came to know that why they asking for this. So when you do the Skillset Pro certification, okay, you will come to know there is every question, 68 questions will be there. 68, 65 plus 26, 25 practical test. So you will get around 1,000 questions. Okay, each and every question practical test will have a scenario based test. So for me, when I do this, I felt okay, fine. Then I revised twice, thrice the same dump. I went back everything. But in the exam, it is little different from what we are preparing. They will test your complete knowledge. So from this dumb question, I got hardly 3 or 4 questions. Okay, so what I recommend you is, I want you to go through the multiple times the AZ-204 exam by All Allen. Okay, then you come here. So you'll get a good idea what is going on, how to handle this. Okay, today he explained, right? Azure durable functions. You will get 100% sure. I'm telling you, you will get one question from durable functions. So each and every part they will ask. Okay, it will be go under very detailed level. As the example I will give a scenario. The question I faced. Okay, where will you find the redeployable function in ARM template? Okay, honestly, if you see ARM template, I never used, but they are asking which tab you have to go and in order to get the ARM, that is template models. So those type of questions they will ask. So I will recommend you to practice at least 6 months. And if you practice 6 months with this, after finishing, I'm telling you, if this course itself will take you to finish 3 months if you go step by step. If you have a knowledge, yes, you can crack it faster. Otherwise, it will take 3 months. Then I want to recommend you to finish this mock. Then I want to do some hands-on, like integrating everything yourself. Then it will be easy for you to crack the exam. I just finished. I'll not say I finished with 90% mark. I just scored with 80% scores. 78 or something only I got the percentage, because the exam, when you get into the system, after connecting to the center, the first question is what do you call the scenario based question. The one question contains 11, sorry, for the first question, scenario based asked for 11 questions, which really made me kind of crazy, but you need to understand what is the question, what they are asking. So this way they asked, okay, this is my company. We are in on-premise, and we are planning to migrate to Azure. We have some short-lived program, and we have a website. And the short-lived programs will go and consume some APIs and all. So when they say short-lived programs, you have to recollect what is short-lived. Okay, this function, whatever you today had the lesson, the short-lived are functions. So the functions go and connect to what you call the services. So those things we have to remember the keywords. So to answer pretty quick. So these are the key point you need to remember. So yeah, these are pretty much. So I followed 2 courses. So first I started with, as I mentioned, first I started with this guy. Okay, but however, I enjoyed the course with Alan Rotter because he's more kind of theoretical, but here it is more practical and it gives more value what you're studying. Then as usual, you go for it. So just focus on what you're studying. Each and every, like which panel, which link you are clicking. Like in the left hand side, we'll have, right, like create web app, create functions. In the functions, what are you selecting and which pan you are clicking. So they will go that much detail also. So they are really testing, are you really went in each and every page of the Azure module. Okay, hope this will help. I can share this course links and this certification pro link also. So wait for some time, you will find some good deals. You will get it for this $10 something, $10, $15. Really worth investing on these courses.
Awesome.
Anything? Yeah, anything else, guys? If you want to have any questions, yes. You
So
can.
Mohan, you took 3 months and like mostly Saturday, Sunday, you studied
No. I study every day.
every day.
I took it seriously because this is because why I'm telling, right, when you start this course, it is quite interesting. You are
Uh-huh.
going to explore everything. So it took every day I will sit for at least 30 minutes. And my goal is
Wow.
1 hour. I will sit at least if it is 30 minutes is good enough because you think January I started, February, March, April. I thought of giving exam in May. I'm not because I gave the mock test myself, couple of tests which I couldn't do it. Then I failed. Then I took it in June
Mhm.
last month. Yeah, June only. I just beginning of this month I took. So it if you are knowledge, if you have experience, if you have worked more than 2 years, yes, it'll be kind of easy. For me, it took 6 months. So they call it as
Wow.
an intermediate exam, but they will cover everything. They will touch all the points. So yeah, so I recommend, like, if you want to study, like, focus on courses, like not focus in the sense like it will help you. Like if you 30 minutes every day if you spend, yeah, I for me 31 hour I take. Yeah, it is like what do you call 3 months it took to finish this course. Yeah, because if you see here, this is 20, how many hours? 26 hours. Okay, so I because you have to do code parallelly, because if you see this example, so it's a lab experience, meaning he will give some code, you have to publish, and everything will be there. If you There is another module here, one of the biggest module will be there. Okay, so yeah, this one, Azure Containers as a third party, it is 4 hours this course itself. So it will consume a lot of things, and this authorization and a security kind of little confusing, tricky part. So you have to go through very slowly these two sections.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Like generally, I hear people say we took a course and it was boring. You said you found it very
No.
interesting.
This is
That's
this is not a boring course, because why I'm telling, like, this guy, right, really literally write the code. So code and how this works, what is there, what is everything. So that's why I'm telling, it is, if you want to be in a cloud side completely, how the code works. So I felt it is really interesting.
great. More like you for fundamentals, you recommended us some other course.
Yeah,
Uh,
fundamentals, right? Yeah, see, actually
fun
fundamentals I started with this guy.
that is okay. It's
Yeah,
still you
no,
think
yeah. No. AZ-900. I fundamental I started with this guy.
that is okay. You
Yeah,
still
yeah.
there, or shall we look for fundamental for a same guy?
Yeah, fundamental for same guy. I believe that guy will be, Alan will be really good. I
Okay.
hope, I recommend you to, because as I came to know little later, I
Okay.
recommend this guy only. So
This guy only.
this
If
guy
there's
only,
a
yes, yes.
if there's a fundamental course by this,
Yeah. He has. Because if you go here,
uh-huh.
okay, so this guy would have taken multiple courses. Okay, let
Uh,
me scroll down. Where is he? More about Arthur. Sorry. So this guy has this many courses.
mhm.
Okay. So where is it? AZ 900 one. AI 900.
That is artificial intelligence.
Artificial. Okay. I saw somewhere AZ 900 also. Hmm. I see them. Okay, I will, if I find, I'll post you. Yeah, sure. But I
Okay.
thought he has a AZ 900 course. But
Awesome.
yeah. So yeah, I will recommend this guy. Okay.
This guy.
So because as you have hands-on coding knowledge, yes, this guy will go step by step how this connects everything, because as the course says, right, it is what do you call it? Developing solutions. There will be some coding part also will be there. Coding part means, okay, where this code will go. Okay, they'll give kind of fill in the blanks. You have to drag and drop what's supposed to come here. Like get property, set property for some of the methods. So those things you need to know. So you must know coding in order to do developing solutions.
Awesome.
Yeah. I believe these guys courses will be like more coder friendly, I feel. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you guys have any questions, if you want anything, yes, just put me in the chat window itself. So whatever I can help, so I will try to find and post you there.
So anybody else has any question?
Mohan, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a question for you. After taking this mock tests and then repeating the Skillsets Pro, how confident were you before taking the actual test?
No, actually, what happened, right? I told you, right? 3 months took for me to took time to finish this, complete this Allen course, because because we are committed to so many things. You cannot spend every day 1 hour. At least I will try to spend 30 minutes. Sometimes that also not possible. So I need to stretch. So the third 3 months, right, will go on and off, but 3 months you will finish it. After that, I gave marks test. What do you call? If you say it started January, February, March, April, I in the end of April I gave a mark. I couldn't score much. Then again went back to the same course, one stretch, single stretch. That time, because no need to code, right? I have already all the codes I have. Just I need to deploy. I keep it in everything in the folder, which chapter wise, what lesson. I just kept everything in chapter wise. I just publish, see how the program works, what are the things, everything. Then this Skillset Pro, right? Okay, I don't know whether I will have a password or not. Give me 1 second. I will show you how many questions. So then you'll have an idea. Where is the log? How to hide this? Because left hand side.
What's that?
The users and all, right? Okay.
Oh, you're getting. Oh, that's irritating you.
Yeah. Because let me go log in. No problem. Okay, so I bought this course. Okay. See here, you have 27 practical tests. Okay. So as you asked, how confident, right? Like after this, I gave a couple of times, I give 1 or 2 tests I will give after finishing the module. Surely you will not get score. But over the period of time, after 1 month, you are giving this exam, right? You will get confident. Like you will get, when you cross above 60% your passing score, you will get a confident. Before exam, I took 1 week completely. Morning I will give one, at least I will give 2 exams. Evening I will give 2 exams. So something like this last 1 week I gave. So that to gain the confidence. So facing the exam is different, but gaining the confidence, yes. The last 1 week I practiced this one. Yep. Is that helps you?
Thank you. Yeah. A lot of times what we do is when we do the preparation, we get scattered, and sometimes I forget the subjects that I prepared because it's over a period of 3 months, right?
Exactly.
And I have to go back, and it takes a lot of time. Yeah.
I absolutely understand, Charu. Basically, what happens, same thing. Okay. This course, think about this, 23 hours. Okay. He will dump everything in the course. Okay. Each and every model. Okay. Forget about this virtual machine. Like, let's go. A web app, functions, computes, containers. Okay. These are the 3 major things will come. After this, compute solutions, storage, everything. If you think of this last course itself, 4 hours, okay, by the time you're studying 4 hours, right, you will get confused of the storage account, because same thing will be, feel like you are repeated here. I absolutely understand. To gain the confidence, I want you to repeat and again you have to write somewhere, okay, some points, okay, this is what this is. So then that will help you. So these two things, if you do, see, if you have a knowledge, Charu, you have a knowledge on this cloud side?
I am like not into too much into Azure cloud computing, but I'm working on getting my Databricks certification. But
Oh.
getting that, yeah.
Yeah,
But
then
I
it will
got,
be good.
yeah, I have the AZ-900, but I'm also trying to get a certification on the Databricks part. But the only thing is like I want to be very confident before I take up the exam. That's why I was asking you that question. But probably I will try to use the Skillsets Pro.
Yeah, sure.
Be
See,
satisfied.
Skillset Pro, these guys give a lot of questions. Like at least, I'm telling you. So from out of this, if you get 4-5 questions, out of this, I got only 4-5 questions. Not like here each question will have, right. If I go page number 2, right. If I start the exam, you can see, okay, start test will have 65 questions. Okay, so out of 65 questions, 65 into 25. So do the math, and these many questions you are preparing. At least you know what you are doing. By the time when you go this text, you will manually execute all the scripts. Okay, so I did manually execute it. Like, because if you see, this is kind of CLI commands, correct? This guy. So these CLI commands, okay, this guy covered under other tools. Okay, so he covered under this chapter. So that's how you can relate everything.
Mohan, this is how exam happens. Like you get 65 questions. How much
No,
time
it is not 65. Right now I got 44 questions.
in the real exam?
Real exam, I got 44 questions.
And how much time did you have?
It is more 1.5 hour, 1 hour and 25 minutes, I believe.
You went to some office, or you did it from home?
No, I went to the office. Like here in the Bolingbrook, I went to the center. I went to the center, I gave.
Saturday, Sunday?
No, not Saturday, Sunday. I went on Wednesday evening.
Evening after 5?
After 5 o'clock, there is one last exam. Yes, you can go and check the 5 o'clock exam. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Charu. So this will help you gain the confidence. Like the question also will help. So based on the questions, you can go back your course, and you can replicate everything, like what he said and how to use this. And these guys, right? If you assume that, let's see, if I give some example like this, if I select this, why I'm recommending this also. See, I'm selecting this. If I check answer, okay, I don't know. I'm not selecting anything. Okay, it is wrong. Okay, then they will recommend, they give the incorrect answer, why incorrect answer, and they will guide you where to go also. So you can go to this Microsoft documentation, you can read it.
So you get command line kind of questions in this exam?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this command line kind of question. So like basically this is their complete command line, right? Some questions will have command line, they are off filled. Okay, so they will ask you what will be coming here, then they'll give 3 choices. Okay, let's go on to the second one. Next question. Okay, these are Azure Buzzer test. Okay, something will be there. The good part is here. Okay, see, this is one of the example I'm telling you, because these things, right, you can deploy application named app1 Azure App Service. You need to eliminate the function conflict between deployment and cold start performance. What should you do? What these kind of questions, right? You have to set something like how to perform the cold start and everything. You need to know the hands-on. Okay, if you assume that there are same kind of questions. So they say the website package from 1. So they will give the solution, where it is and everything. So using this, you can study well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Definitely we need certification that course for command lines. We are mostly reading theories, practicals.
Yeah. See, this one block, he completely says about how to execute the CLI and everything. But the command line, right, basically we use it for only few things. Okay, if you know Okay, the command line basically will come for this. I'll go to the first one. Okay, the same thing. Okay, this is Azure web app. Similarly, we'll get Azure app web function also. So there is one set of questions will be like, surely we'll get one or two with this command line.
Actually, Mohan, I think we need one more session from you. 1 hour. We'll ask more specific question.
Sure, no problem. Yeah,
What
I
kind of
will.
questions you got for your function? What kind of questions you got for queues? Maybe next time we'll ask you more
Sure.
pointed questions.
No problem, Vikas.
It's like interview. We'll do interview.
Yeah,
for you.
no problem. I'm happy to assist. Yeah. So the thing is, see, I'm telling you, this course will help you not for your certification only. So, okay, see, this is give overall broad idea, but the real thing is, right, like when you complete this course, you will know all the parts of the Azure developer wise. See, you know, right? I recently joined a new company, right? When I joined, I don't know anything. After finishing this course, right, I know what they are integrating basically, how they are calling the secrets, how they are integrating stuffs, user identity. So he will touch all the points, really help you. That's what I'm insisting again and again this course.
Awesome.
Yeah. Anytime you can reach me, or like if you want, I will join in next session also. If you have anything to be addressed, yes, we can.
Yeah, Santosh, Aditya, other team member, what do you think? Like, we'll ask him specific questions.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we need one full session for this.
One full session. I'm really surprised that they asked for command line, and it's a very good insight.
Yes,
So
sure. One question. See, command line means. See, this is how the question will be like. Okay, here the log. The question is here, right? This line, this if you see here, log tail. Okay, they will miss this part. The tail part will be missed. What will come? They will put a fill up here, fill in the blanks. What will come in this one? But here in this question answer itself, we find this kind of question. So that will really help. Like by the time, what happened, right? So I initially when I give a demo for you, right, function and all, right, my Visual Studio will not able to publish the code from a local to the Azure. So I started scripting. So scripting is really nice, okay. But the thing is, we will not use these things, tail and all. So they will ask these questions. That's what I'm going to say.
thank you, Mohan. So we'll let people go. They have their
Yeah.
starting.
Thank you, guys. Okay. So
thank you, Mohan. Thank you.
Thank you.
if I'm able to
Congratulations
finish,
again.
Congratulations.
yeah, if I'm able to finish,
Thanks,
you guys
everyone.
all finish. Okay. That's all I meant to say. Yep. We'll regroup again sometime. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you all. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Good
You
night.
too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks
Bye.
all.
Thank you.